So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to make this amazing UI and UI interface of a website. It's a video website and it's official website that I'm going to design a UI for. So let's get started and make this design right now on Inkscape. So here we are on our Inkscape menu, and what I'm going to do is just get into files and going to get into document properties, select units as pixels, and select units as pixels, and untick the show page border thing so that you can get this full screen, custom screen. Now make sure that you have selected custom as your view port, a default view port, and what I'm going to do right now is just get into view, select zoom, and zoom 1:1 into this canvas. Now we have all these things. What I'm going to do right now is just open the colors gradients panel and align objects panel. Great, so we have opened these two panels. What I'm going to do right now is just select black color as my first color and use the rectangle tool and just I'm going to make this this rectangle which has a width of 77 pixels and a height of 93 pixels. In 1:1 zoom mode, I'm going to make its corners go this way. Yeah, this much rounded is okay. We have this thing right now. Now what I'm going to do is just add a screen to it, and I'm going to select this 7.5% gray color, and I'm just going to put it onto here. Yeah, I'm going to make its border sharpened by clicking on this block. Yeah, so now we're going to select the move tool, select and transform tool, select tool, and just move it however you want so that you can get the screen effect that you want. Yes, we have this thing right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the outer black hardware thing, and I'm going to make its color go to 30% gray. Yeah, this looks perfect. What I'm going to do right now is just select black color, and I'm going to select ellipse. And I'm going to make a small like circle thing right here, and I'm going to move it to here till here. Yeah, so this looks perfect right now. I'm going to arrange it. So we're going to arrange it. Just hold shift, click on this dot, and hold shift and click on this gray thing, outside gray thing. And what we're going to do right now is open the align and distribute menu. Let it open firstly. So we're going to open the align distribute menu. Let me just open it first. So what I'm going to do right now is just select this top black dot, and I'm going to hold shift and select this gray outer screen, and I'm going to use this center on vertical axis. So we have centered it right now. This would look like a camera, or just make it more smaller. Hold shift and control by doing all these things. So we have this camera right now. What I'm going to do right now is just select this ellipse tool, select white color as my dominant color, and make a good big circle right here, and I'm going to place it right here to make its size grow a little bit. This looks perfect. What I'm going to do is again click on this dot, and I'm going to select this gray background, and I'm going to center it on vertical axis. So we have all these objects centered. What I'm going to do right now is just select this rectangle tool again, and I'm going to select shade of yellow. Select this shade would be a great choice. I'm going to remove the snap to cusp nodes, and I'm going to make this rectangle go right here. Okay, we have done this. Now select the select tool and drag it however you want. So it looks perfect as our search bar or something like that at the top of the website. This looks perfect. Just make its size go a little bit smaller, and what I'm going to do right now is just select this color, like a light shade of yellow, or this color, light shade of yellow. I'm going to select this rectangle and like this, or I'm going to make its shade go this much. This much looks perfect. To make it go this much rounded, and I'm going to make its size grow this much. The width should be less, and the height should be like okay. The width should be more less. What I'm going to do right now is just select this and hold shift and select the yellow, dark yellow thing, and I'm going to center it on vertical axis and center it on horizontal axis. Yeah, so we have this thing right now. What I'm going to do right now is select the ellipse tool, and I'm going to select any shade of orange. That the logo of the company is orange. I'm going to choose orange as my color. Hold shift, or just to tell you, hold shift and control, and then make a circle. Yeah, this looks perfect. Hold select tool and place it down right here. To make its size go a little bit, hold shift while doing all these, shift and control while doing all these things. What I'm going to do right now is hold shift and select this light yellow thing, and I'm going to center it on horizontal axis. Yeah, so we have centered it right now. What I'm going to do right now is again select the rectangle tool and use this shade or this shade of gray. What I'm going to do right now is just add like 2 bars right here, which have a short length right there, and yeah, so we have this thing right now. So what I'm going to do right now is just select this thing and hold shift, and what I'm select this thing and hold shift and click on this gray thing again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to center them on vertical axis. Yeah, and I'm going to place it, like hold control and just move it slightly to the right. Yeah, so we have this thing right now, and I'm going to move this thing a little bit. Yeah, so we have these things right now. What I'm going to do right now is just take this rectangle tool again, and I'm going to make a box like thing. Yeah, so what I'm going to do right now is just I'm going to make its corners go like sharpened, and I'm going to place it like right here and like this, and yeah, just okay. I'm going to send it like backwards. You send it backwards. I'm sorry. So yeah, this looks perfect. Yeah, this looks perfect. What I'm going to do right now is just select the ellipse tool again, and I'm going to make its color go like 20% gray is okay. I'm going to hold control and shift, and I'm going to make a ball like thing like this. Yeah, this looks perfect. And I'm going to and then I'm going to select the stars and polygons tool. I'm going to make the corners to be like 3, and I'm going to take this thing like right here, and yeah, this looks perfect. I'm going to give it a total white color, fully white color, and I'm going to arrange it right here. Okay, great. Now what I'm going to do right now is just select this outer circle, and I'm going to give it a shade of this color, this outer color. This looks perfect. And what I'm going to do right now is just group them together, and I'm going to center them on this axis, horizontal axis and vertical axis. Yeah, so we have these things right now. What I'm going to do is select this rectangle tool, and I'm going to make a line here, right here, and yeah, that line looks perfect. What I'm going to do right now is just make the lines color slightly lighter shade of yellow, and this looks perfect. What I'm going to do right now is just select this ellipse tool again, hold control and shift, and make a beautiful circle. Yeah, this looks perfect. I'm going to hold shift and control again, make its size grow a little bit. Yeah, this looks perfect. I'm going to use a dropper tool to again make its color go this way, the dark shade of yellow, and place it right here. And I'm going to select, hold shift and select this rod. I'm going to center them on horizontal axis. Yeah, we have this thing right now. So it's like the video is playing, you get the feel of this thing. Now what I'm going to do right now is just hold shift and control, and I'm going to make a rectangle, this, yeah, this rectangle, and I'm going to place it right here. I'm going to make its size go a little bit smaller. Yeah, I'm going to duplicate it right now. Yeah, like a mobile interface. We have a tablet interface right now. Yes, okay, and I'm going to use rectangle tool and add like a line to it. Okay, we have this thing right now. to place it right here, this much, and I'm going to select this thing and center them on horizontal axis. Yeah, we'll duplicate this thing. Yeah, this much is okay. I'm going to select the two things, hold Control and G to group them together, and I'm going to duplicate them as well as them, and I'm going to hold Control and bring them down a little bit. Yeah, we have this thing right now. I'm going to hold Control and do this thing. Yeah, so we have the two like the next videos or the next courses playing, and I'm going to add some of the main like comment sections and all these things, and I'm going to duplicate this thing, and what I'm going to do right now is just drag it below it. Yeah, I'm going to select hold shift and select this thing also. I'm going to group them and I'm going to duplicate them. Yeah, so I'm going to hold Control and drag them down a little bit. So we have these things right now. To make its size go a little bit. Yeah, so we have this total interface with us, and so this is it for this interface. It's a tablet interface for official website. So thank you for this video, and thank you for seeing this video. Share this video to all your friends that are really interested in graphic designing, and like this video if you like this video. So thank you so much for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.